Hello, good morning, students. Today we see about digital presentation, which is our next topic. So for that, all of you know how to create presentation and what is use of a presentation. So today we see it from start. So first one, uh, when you open PowerPoint presentation, it will shows like this. Means by default one slide is created or by default one slide is open. So every time whenever you creating any type of document, it may be Word, it may be Excel, or it may be PowerPoint. First you open it, then only you can save it. Means you provide name and the location for storing the document. So the slide by default home tab is get open when you open a presentation, and the by default name of documentation is the presentation one. So first thing you need to save it. For save, you go in a file option. So when you go in file option, it will show options such as a save as. So first time we need to save as it, so that's why you click on save as tag, which is save as option. Then next one, it will ask to location where you want to save it. So you select this PC, or when you want to save it on drive, then also you can save on drive. So this PC, then go in required folder. So by default it is get saved in a documents folder. So when it will open save as option, you provide name of file, and downside there is a save as a type. So we want to save document as a PowerPoint presentation, and finally you click on save. That document get saved on a document. Then next one, how to create or how to add a slide in your document. So for adding slide in home, there is option new slide. When you click on new slide, it will add the new slide depending upon your requirement. See, when you click on new slide, it will shows 9 types of slide. One is a title slide, second one title and content, third one section header, next one two content, comparison, title only, blank, content with caption, picture with caption. So basically a title slide get created when you create a document, but depending upon your requirement you can select a document. Next one, how to create slide. So once you selected slide, you just provide a name, or you just click in text box and type your here I have written simple presentation, which I have written in a main title. See here, click to add title. There I have add a simple presentation, and click to add subtitle. In that I have added points, point 1 2 3 4 and 5. So like that you can create simple presentation. The slides present in home tab. In home tab there is a slides group, and in slides group there is a new slide option. Next one, how to insert picture in your slide. So for inserting picture, you can take a blank slide, which is very useful. So here I have added one blank slide. Now I am going in a insert tab. In insert tab there is a picture option, and in picture option there are two options. One is a this device, second one is online pictures. So I have saved already pictures on this device, that's why I am click on this device. So when I click on this device, it will open a folders. So I have saved that images in HGP networking in that ninth PowerPoint. So here I have selected one image which is shown in a pink color, and when I click on insert, that slide get added into the that picture get added into the slide. And on that slide you can change its height and width by using the corner dots, or you can rotate also that image. Next one, see, so I have adjusted that image for whole slide. Next one, how to add shapes in your document. So for adding shape also, you go in insert tab. In insert there is a shapes option, and in shapes there are various options such as recently used rectangles, lines, basic shapes, block arrows, equation shape, flowcharts, stars and banners, callouts, etc. So from that I have selected rectangle. See here, so it will show rectangle, round corners also. Mm. So when you click on it, it will you need to click and drag and drop on your slide, and you can change its size also. Next one is adding a themes in your document. So for adding themes in your document, you need to go in design tab. In design tab there is a themes group, and in themes group there are the various design. So when you click on further, so it will shows all designs, and here I have selected Berlin design, that's why it is shown in a orange color. So when you there are two options. First you can create slides, and then you can select design. That is also possible, but the best practice is to select first design and then try to write your presentation. Next one, now arranging slides in your presentation or arranging slides in your document. So you select slides, which slides you want to adjust. So suppose I want to add a slide number 3, uh, slide number 2, I want to add it. So what I have done, suppose that slide number 3, which is a downside, now I have drag and drop in between 1 and 2 slide. See, you can see a slide, the flower slide shows slide number 1, and the shape slide shows 2, and now I am adding third number slide in between 1 and 2. So you just drag and drop between 1 and 2. Once you do this, that slide is get added between flower slide and the shape slide. Then there are various types of slides also that we have seen. First type, so title slide, title and content, section header, two contents, comparison, title only, blank, content with caption, pictures with caption. So all these are need to add in your document. Or you can, there are another options, duplicate selected slides, slides from outline, reuse slides. That facility is also available with the PowerPoint. The next one, suppose you want to delete slide. So now I want to delete slide number 2, which is a slide, a smiley slide. So you just go there, right click on it, it will show the menu bar where the delete slide option is there, and when you click on delete slide, it will delete the slide. Okay, so then next point is a printing presentation. For that, again you need to go in a file option or a file tab. In file tab, there are various options: save as, print. So now we want to print, that's why I have selected print option. So when you click on print option, it will open up printer properties. So print copies, then print settings are there. In that, print all slides, full place slides, correlated, color, etc. So suppose I want to select print slides, which slides I want to print. So when you click on it, it will show the following option: print all slides, print selection, print current slide, custom range. So these options are used to print the documentation. So here we have finished a PowerPoint topic. So today you just read that topic, and after your exam you write its uh, exercises. So in case of this topic, there is only what is a slide, how to add slides, how to add images, how to adjust slides, then how to print it, how to add shape. All these things are there, and during this video I have explained you where these options are present and what is use of these things. So thank you.